So guys, the wheel forks have come a long way. I've started welding them together, and now I'm reinforcing them. Basically, I'm taking these strips of angle iron and welding them up into there. So it'll be like a nice piece of triangle tubing. I'm currently working on this one, and I've already welded this side and the bottom side. I'm just going to be putting that there. Gotta get my welding electrode, and I can start welding it. It's actually been about a year since I last welded, so it took me, I'd say, a good half hour to get used to welding again. But I'm welding with basically the same welder as I used to weld with. A bunch of car batteries. I just have a bunch of car batteries over there hooked together with a bunch of jumper cables, and it's working. But it's pretty much the same welding as I did before, so it's not like I'm trying to learn a different welder. So yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See ya!